Powered by an advanced machine learning technology, Select Subject has been trained to identify various types of subjects in an image and automatically create a selection. In practice, I find it does a pretty good job of creating instant selections that correctly identify the main subject in a photo. However, it will nearly always be necessary to refine the selection to some extent, but Select Subject is still a great time saver. To quickly select an object, go to the Select menu and choose Subject. This command cleverly works out what the main subject in a photo is and creates a selection around it. Now, it won't work for every image, but often does surprisingly well. With this image, it selects nearly all of the car in a single step. The Object Selection tool is essentially more of a guided Select Subject command and should be thought of as offering a way to get a reasonable quick selection. It's not really meant for refining selections since Photoshop already has other tools for such purposes. The Object Selection tool has a lasso mode and a rectangle marquee mode. The marquee mode, for example, simplifies the process of selecting a single subject or part of a subject by allowing you to simply click and drag a rectangle around the object. Let's look at how it works. I will start by selecting this image and simply choose Select Subject. This command creates a rough selection that selects all of the houses. Now I will deselect that selection and instead select the Object Selection tool in rectangle mode and roughly marquee drag to select the house on the right only. This results in a quick selection of the house I've just selected using the Object Selection tool in rectangle mode. When the Object Subtract option is checked in the toolbar, you can subtract from an initial selection with the Alt key held down to auto-calculate the subtraction area. For example, if I go to this image and select the life belt with the Object Selection tool, it selects the outer area of the life belt. If, with the rectangular marquee tool still selected, I modify the selection by Alt dragging inside the life belt, this just subtracts a rectangular area. But if I make an undo, check the Object Subtract option in the toolbar and redo that step, you can see how in this mode the rectangular selection uses the same logic to auto-calculate how to remove the inner area of the life belt. The AutoEnhance option in the toolbar works better on things like hair to produce soft edge selections. However, if this is checked when selecting sharp edge subjects, you may get halos around your selected object. Incidentally, Object Selection is also accessible via the Magic Wand options bar and the Quick Selection tool options bar as well. Select Subject is also available as a button option within the Properties panel for a non-background layer, that is to say a normal layer, Document Properties mode. Above that there is a Remove Background button, and that does the opposite and selects the background in one single step. Thank you for watching. This video was brought to you by me, Martin Evening, author of the Adobe Photoshop for Photographers book series. To find out more about the book and access more video tutorials, plus other content related to Photoshop, please visit the book website.